Are you looking for a beginner-friendly holiday crochet pattern or a fun scrap yarn project? This vintage-inspired candy cane is for you. You'll need yarn, crochet hook, scissors. To start this project, make a slip knot and chain 40. To chain, yarn over and pull through. Continue chaining and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Now that you have your chain, work into the 4th chain from the hook. Double crochet twice. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Double crochet 3 times into the next chain. This will be our repeat. Repeat this until the end of the chain. The project will spiral on its own as you're crocheting. This is normal. Chain 1 and fasten off. Repeat the pattern so you have 2 spirals. Weave in the ends. You might be tempted just to tie them off at the top. I highly suggest that you weave them in the inner part of the spiral. Next, we're going to twist the 2 coils together. Put one on top of the other and start to twist. I'll meet you at the end of the twist. You'll end up with something that looks like this. Bend your candy cane and tack it in place. Cut some yarn to make a hanger. Decide where to place it on your candy cane. For a more secure fit, tack it in place. Hang it on your tree and you're all done. Please subscribe if you like the video. Happy holidays!